Hi my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel. So guys, today in this video I will be using a menstrual cup, and this is something I have never talked about in my videos. Yes, I am little nervous about using this because I have never used it before, but there have been a lot of articles which I have been going through which says that this is so much more hygienic, and this is also the best thing about this one I felt yet it is one time investment, guys. And your period is gonna be order free, and they are gonna be super dry and hygienic as well, because this is something you just need to insert it and blood just gets accumulated in it, and after that you can take it out. And this seems very simple to just talk about right now, but I'll take you guys through my entire experience now. So we are gonna quickly get into the video. And also, if you are someone who hasn't subscribed to my channel yet, just make sure to subscribe to my channel now and be a part of Beauty Squad. It's free for you guys and it would mean everything to me, and I'll be telling you guys everything in detail, so you do not have to worry about anything at all.
So guys, this is how the packaging looks like, and I was pretty impressed with it. And guys, the best thing about menstrual cup is you can use it up to a period of 10 years, and this is made of silicone, so it doesn't feel uncomfortable at all. The size which I'm using today is the large size, which is 30 ml. This comes with a pouch wherein you can keep it if you're not using it, like on your normal days you can store it there. And this is how this cups look like. So I know this look pretty huge, but I'll explain everything to you guys, how to use it and everything.
So guys, this is the first day of my menstrual cycle and I have my cup right here. So what I'm gonna do now is I'll go to the bathroom, and after that I'll insert this cup. So first thing you need to take care of is that you should wash this cup thoroughly with an intimate wash, and also wash your perineal area, and then you can insert it, and I'll show you guys how to insert it as well. So let's come along to the bathroom.
So guys, now we are going to wash it, and it's super simple to wash it as well. You just need to take a wash, like I'm taking this intimate wash, and you need to clean it thoroughly, which is very important as well. So guys, why menstrual cup are better than the rest of the options which are available, like pads and also the tampons? Because tampons causes shock syndrome, which you all must be aware of, and you cannot use it beyond 6 hours. And about pads, guys, they can cause leakage, and it has odors, and it can cause infections. So this is pretty much the better option than the rest which are available.
So guys, now I'm going to show you how to put it in, and all you need to do is put a finger in the middle, make it in a taco shape, and like this get narrowed up, and this can easily go in. Now I'm going to sit in the squatting position and I'll tell you guys how I feel about it. So guys, I have already sat in the squatting position and I have folded this up as well. This is what it was written in the manual. Now just put it over the opening and slowly start pushing it inside. In the beginning it is going to feel a little uncomfortable for sure. Okay. Now it is inside, guys. Yes, it is. And now you have to rotate it a little. At least that is what it was mentioned in the manual as well. I don't know if I'll be able to do that, but I guess I have done it. Also make sure that whenever it goes inside and the fold get unfolded, it makes a pop sound. So that means the menstrual cup is open now. So guys, I am finally done with inserting the cup inside, and actually I thought that it is gonna be super uncomfortable because it seemed little huge, like it was in the large size, and I was a little skeptical about it. But yes, once I have like put it in, I cannot feel anything around. And also it is, yes, in the beginning you are nervous. Obviously I was nervous as well, but the process is not at all difficult, guys, and I cannot feel like there is anything inside of me. So that is a great thing, and I'll keep updating you guys about how my experience is. So guys, this is the place wherein I'm gonna sleep now, and this is already night, and I have taken a towel which is really light in color so that if it gets any stain, I'll be able to see in the morning. So we'll check the towel in the morning, guys. So guys, it's morning now, and as you guys can see, there is no stain on the towel. So that is a complete satisfaction in the morning that it doesn't leak at all. So it's a good thing, of course. So guys, this is how it looks like once the entire cup is full of blood, and this is not the actual blood, guys, so do not get scared about it. But this is how it gets filled up. It cannot leak from anywhere, so it just stay intact inside your body. And once it get filled, you can take it out and rinse it off and then insert it again. But you need to take care of is the only thing you need to take care of is that your hands should be super hygienic. This should be super clean as well, and also you should use an intimate wash in your vaginal area before inserting it in. And this is pretty much it, guys. I hope that I have covered everything. So guys, this was it for this video. I hope that I have answered all your questions, and if you still left up with any queries, you can let me know in the comments down below. I would love to answer it for you guys. And also, if you want to buy the same product, the intimate wash and also this menstrual cup, I am gonna leave the product link in the description box below. It is very comfortable, guys. You do not have to worry about being uncomfortable, and this is the most hygienic periods I have ever had. This is something I can feel right now, because there was no stain of the blood on my clothes or anywhere as well, and you do not feel wet, guys. This is the best part, and there is no odor, and that is a big relief for me, because I get very nauseous to the smell of blood, guys. Like, it makes me cringe a lot. Also guys, if you're someone who isn't subscribed to my channel yet, just make sure to subscribe to my channel now. Also make sure that you hit the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you do not miss any update from my channel. And I'll leave the social media links in the description box below. Make sure that you guys connect me there as well. This is pretty much it. I hope that you know the drill, and I'll see you guys super soon with another amazing video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.